Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the PHP logical operator and how we can use in our real projects. So right now is a three operator I already write mainly using inside real project like and, or, and, not equal to. So how we can use inside a real project, and first of all I will explain what is the difference between like and, what is the difference between like or, and what is the not equal to. Okay, so I already opened my index.php file, and also I open like here like a one index.php file, means a WAMP server. So let's create a first double and variable, means operator. We can use logical operator, how we can use it. So I will create here like $I is equal to, let's make a like a x, okay, is equal to 0, okay, not 0, let's make a 10, and $y is equal to like a 20. Okay, so if dollar is equal to here is a value there, I can use like is not empty, let's not showing is not empty, direct I can use is equal and y. So means is a both value there, so need to go inside. Suppose both value is not there, so is going to outside, means the else part. Suppose I can put like success message here, and bottom I can put like a error message. Okay, so you can see it. Let's run and show you about the AND operator. So here is showing the success, because right now is there both value like 10 is there and 20 also there, like x inside is value there and y inside also value there, means is a variable. Suppose I can put here null, like a blank string. So suppose I can go back and I can search, so he's showing the errors, means is like 1 is the value there but 1 is value not there, so is the not true condition, is a false condition, is going to error. Suppose both value there, means a true condition. So do you think how to use it inside our real project? Suppose you are creating one API, okay, so API wise you getting the like username and you are getting the password, okay. So here is just showing like you can put like a username like a test, and your password is a null because user can't add a password, and after he press the login detail, means he can press the login button. So here we are checking username and password is there, so going to inside to check inside database, and we can verify okay this is the username and password is correct, so is a login, otherwise no need to login. Suppose he can't add a password, so we need to show here message, please enter username and password. So this is the message we can show inside app side. Suppose we are creating API, otherwise we can creating any website, so is the website side also can show. Suppose username and password not add, let's show you the inside a browser. So let's make some zoom, and you can see it here, please enter a username and password, because of we have not passed any password. Suppose I can pass like a password 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, and I just refresh the page, so is a success. But after we need to success inside, we need to go inside our database and we need to verify this information. But this is the mainly use inside real project, like this verification we need, okay, here is a value there and this is the value also there, so we need to go inside, otherwise user side we need to fire the one message, please enter a username and password. This is the AND operator work. Suppose you can use this is the operator like AND, so also work. Suppose you can use the his sign, so also work. Suppose I can use the AND, so also work. Suppose I can remove this one and you can check it, so also work. And suppose I can remove the username, so also you can see it same message, please enter username and password. Okay, so this is the use about the AND operator. You can use sign, you can use like a AND words. Let's discuss now another operator like OR operator. So here we can create another time x and y value, okay. Suppose here I can put like 10, you can use string, let's use a now string, because numeric value is possible and string wise also possible. I can put here y, and here I can put like a error, okay. So suppose I need to use OR operator, means double sign, so I can put here, so it's a working or not working, is 100% working, okay. So you can see it like success, he checking x inside value there or y inside value there, we need a one value. Suppose x inside value there, so it's going to success. Suppose the y inside value there, so also success. Suppose I can remove like x y inside value, and I can go and refresh the page, so it's going to success. Because of one value need any variable. Suppose both value not there, so no need to go inside, is going to error, means a later part. So this is the meaning about the or operator. One value there always. Suppose here is a value there, so also need to go, and like bottom value there, so also need to go. This is the meaning about or operator. You can use here only or is like a words like or, and you can use his sign, so also possible. Suppose I can go back and refresh the page, so here showing the error because the both is blank. Suppose I can put like this and I can check, so it's going to success because the x inside value there. So or operator, how we can use on real projects. So or operator we are using inside real projects. So but do you want to verify something one part? Okay, this is the username, otherwise this is the password already there inside database. So we need to check. Okay, so also possible or operator. Otherwise you can do it like a logical way. You can do it inside a or operator. So do you want to check anything like x and y? One value we need. Suppose you are checking like payment gateway. Payment gateway is a cash there or a PayPal there. So it's going to inside. We need to check. One is there, so it's going to inside. Understand? And we can make a verified. So the or operator like this work. So any place you can using or operator. Lots of place we need to use. Suppose we are checking like this. Username is and dollar password. Okay, this is the both there, and or here I can make and also I can put like a x or y. So is the both is there. Okay, username password also there, and is the x and y value inside only one value there, so it's going to inside. So I can show you one example, so it's better for you. Here I can put username and I can put here password. So I can put like password 123, username is a test, and I can x is equal to name, so is a Hardik, I think Alex. Okay, so it's look like better, and I can go, so it's going to success because one value there, this reason. Suppose I can remove here one value. Okay, why? So you can see it is going to error because here we are checking like only one value need no need two value, but here is showing these like both values null. Suppose I can put like here test, so also can work. You can see it. So this is the meaning about or operator. Suppose you can use sign, so also good. Suppose do you want to use like is a word, so also good. But lots of people inside developing line is always using sign like this and sign, and this is the sign we are always using. Okay, so this is the meaning about the operator like and operator and or operator work. So now we need to discuss last one like a not equal to. Not equal to operator, I think we have discussed like before few videos, but I will explain again what is the meaning about not equal to operator. So mainly thinking is equal to like suppose username, I can show you first username and password not equal to, sorry, not equal to, and I just remove the last part. Suppose the both is not same, so going to inside. Suppose both is same, so no need to go inside. Suppose I can put here like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, both is same, so it's going to error part. Suppose both value is not same, so going to inside. So this is the meaning. Suppose you are changing your email address, okay, like a old email and new email, old email and new email. Here is there, and here you can type like a t is equal to @t.com, okay, ts.com, whatever do you want to like. Suppose both email same, so no need to update inside database. Okay, old email and new email. I can example like real project how it works, like here showing the errors because no need to update inside our database. So but this the new email is a user add inside app side, there is web side, he can add a like te1. Okay, so te1, so we need to check, okay, old email and new email is a different, yes, is a different, so we need to update inside our database. So here showing the success. So this is the meaning about not and means not equal to operator. I hope do you have everything clear. So do you have no any doubt, do you have any question, so please comment out. And do you have a like this video, do you have a like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, because I have done for 3 operator how it's work my way. So do you want to learn more things, so you can go Google and you can search. But really mainly I have explained like this work inside real project and what is the difference between the 3 operator. I think you can better understand. Thank you for watching.